Very good morning to one and all. Welcome to your TSN English class. Today we'll be starting you can say that fourth video of this chapter. We are not afraid to die if we can all be together. So this is the fourth video, students, and this is from your book Hornbill. So let's read the chapter here. That before starting with this video, I would like to tell you about the previous paragraph. That in previous paragraph we have read that they have survived for like 15 hours, and the wave hit, or how their wave walker boat damaged in that incident where the waves hit their boat, and how their wave walker boat filled with water. And after that, how narrator calculated that what was going on there, and there was two small islands, so he wanted to find out the about the islands, that they were like a few kilometers away from there to the east, and the difficulty that he has faced was the wind and the waves. Unless they were like abated, he could not hoist the sail. And here the pinpricks in the vast ocean means this phrase expresses the search for two small islands in the vast ocean, and they were somewhere in like 150,000 kilometers of ocean, looking for a 65-kilometer wide island. So you can easily understand the situation. The great wave had put our auxiliary engine out of action, and due to their the great wave that put their engine out of action, that means the engine of the boat is not working at all. And on January 4, after 36 hours of continuous pumping, was reached the last few was reached the we reached the last few centimeters of water. Now we had only to keep pace with the water still coming in. We could not set any. So your narrator explains that what is the condition of ship here right now. So we could not set any sail on the main mast. Pressure on the rigging would simply pull the damaged section of the hull part. So we hoisted the storm jib and headed for where I thought the two islands were. Mary found some corned beef and cracker biscuit, and we ate first meal in almost 2 days. But our respite was short-lived. At 4 p.m., black clouds began building up behind us. Within the hour, the wind was back to 40 knots, and the seas were getting higher. The weather continued to deteriorate throughout the night, and by dawn on January 5, our situation was again desperate. So, here, narrator explains that how the situation was on January 4. On January 4, after 36 hours of continuous pumping, we reached the last few centimeters of water. So he said that finally, after the like 36 hours, almost 2.5 days. So it was like almost like 2 to 3 days were there, and they were pumping continuously, and they try to get rid of that water from the boat. And lastly, the few centimeters of water was still there in their boat, and now we had one keep pace with water still coming in, but still there is a space in their boat through which the water is still coming in, or you can say that the leak holes are there, and we could not sail the main mast. And due to that, he said that we could not set any sail on the main mast, and due to that, they are not able to send that main mast over there, and pressure on the rigging would simply pull the damaged section of hull part. And due to that, there is a pressure on the rigging section, and due to that, the hull part would damage. And so we hoisted the storm jib and headed for where I thought the two islands were. So they just started their journey for those islands for which he calculated earlier. So Mary found some corned beef and cracker biscuits, and we ate our first meal in almost 2 days. And your narrator explains that how his wife Mary, she found some corn meat. That means उसने कुछ corn corn, and at the same time कुछ she managed to get some flesh or some crispy biscuits, and because they need some energy after 2 days to again begin with their new journey to that those two islands. So she ate their first meal after 2 days, but our respite was short lived. But he said that अब उनको जो एक ये जो respite या ये जो उनको राहत मिली थी, that is like for only a moment. And at 4 p.m. black clouds begin, and 4 p.m. of the day what was there, that writer says as so black clouds begin building up them. अब जब उन्होंने खाना खाया, थोड़ा सा मील लिया, थोड़ी राहत ली, then after that suddenly some black clouds begin up behind them, and the wind became faster and waves higher. अब हवा तेज चलने लगी और waves भी बहुत ऊंची हो गई थी. The only hope was to reach small island, the pinpricks in the vast ocean. So only their hope is like that somehow they can manage to reach at that island which is over there. And within an hour the wind was black back to 40 knots, और अब wind बहुत ज़्यादा ज़ोर से चलने लगी. The sea were getting higher. The weather continued to deteriorate throughout the night. पूरा weather जो है, पूरी रात जो है, that weather is like the condition of the weather, you can say that the condition of the weather is not so good, or you can say that the condition of the weather is worse at that time, so that it is not possible for them to just sleep quietly. And by dawn on January 5 our situation was again desperate. और जिस दिन January 5 की सुबह थी, उनकी सिचुएशन वापस से कैसी हो गई थी, अचानक से वापस उनकी सिचुएशन वर्स में बदल गई थी. When I went, students, I'm reading here. So when I went into comfort the children, John asked, "Daddy, we are going to die." I tried to assure him that we could make it, but Daddy, he went on, "we are not afraid of dying if we can all be together. You and Mommy, Sue and I." So here, where I went to comfort the children. So because he knew that on January 5, their situation became more. You can say that worse, and due to that he tried to convince, or he tried to provide comfort to his children. So that is why he went there. And his son John asked that, "Daddy, we are going to die." कि father, क्या हम मर जाएंगे? I tried to assure him that we would make it, but the narrator, the writer of the chapter, he assured his son that, "No son, we would make it, but Daddy," he went on. But इतना समझाने के बाद भी that boy वो आगे बोलता है, "We are not afraid of dying if we can all be together." कि father, अगर हम को मरने से बिल्कुल नहीं डरना चाहिए, इफ़ वी कैन ऑल बी टुगेदर. तो जब तक हम साथ में हैं, हमें इस मरने से, इस तूफान से या इस सिचुएशन से, देयर इज़ नो नीड टू अफ्रेड ऑफ दैट. एंड यू एंड मम्मी, स्यू एंड आई, हम चारों ही जब तक एक साथ हैं तब तक डरने की कोई बात नहीं है. आई कुड फाइंड नो वर्ड्स विथ विच टू रिस्पॉन्ड, बट आई लेफ्ट the children cabin determined to fight the sea with everything I had. So here narrator said that I could find no words with which to respond. So at that time the narrator was speechless in front of his children. So he left that room of his children, and he went to that cabin to determine that there is some way, or to find out some more ways, so that they can get rid of that situation, or he would save his children somehow. So to protect the weakened starboard side, अब उसने डिसाइड किया कि किस तरह वो starboard side जो weakened हो चुकी है उसको कैसे वो protect करेगा. I decided to heave head to with the undammed port hull facing the oncoming waves, using an improvised sea anchor of heavy nylon rope and 22-liter plastic barrels of paraffin. So here what he's trying to do, that So he protect the weakened starboard, and for that he tried to heave to the undamaged port. So he tried to manage that undamaged part, so that oncoming waves जो हैं किस तरह वो उनसे मुकाबला कर पाएगा. And he thus just improved his sea anchor on heavy nylon rope, and after that he's having that 22-liter plastic barrel in paraffin. And that evening Mary and I sat together holding hands, as the motion of the ship brought more and more water in through the broken planks. And उस दिन इवनिंग में नरेटर और उसकी वाइफ दैट मैरी, उन्होंने अपने हाथों में पकड़े, बिकॉज दे न्यू दैट जो मोशन, जो वाटर जो है अब जो आने वाला है शिप में थ्रू द ब्रोकन प्लैंक्स, वी वर बोथ फेल्ट द एंड वॉज वेरी नियर, बिकॉज दे थॉट दैट द एंड वॉज वेरी नियर. एंड but Wave Walker rode out of the storm, and by morning of January 6, with the wind easing, I tried to get a reading on the sextant. Back in the chart room, I worked on the wind speed. So here, narrator or the writer of the chapter, he says that, but the Wave Walker rode out of the storm. So their boat basically get out of the storm, and by morning January 6, अब January 6 की morning को, with the wind easing, अब जो wind थी वो थोड़ी easing way में blow कर रही थी, and I tried to get a reading on the sextant. And वो अब sextant पे read कर रहा था that किस तरह उसे पता चल रहा that where they are or in which direction. So back in chart room, अब वो वापस chart room में आ चुका था. I worked on wind speeds because he is trying to calculate, or he's trying to know about that what is like, or what is the speed of the wind right now. So students, move on to next page. Here is the picture of, you can say that Wave Walker boat kind of. The upper part of the boat is mast, this one is mainsail, this one is boom, cockpit, stern, radar, cabin, and all that. So move on to like the last lines of the chapter here. So you can say that so not students, these are not the last line, sorry. So here what was going on, that changes of course, drift and current in an effort to calculate our position, because through that wind speed they can calculate their position. The best I could determine was that there were somewhere in 1,15,000 kilometers of ocean looking for a 65 kilometer wide island. So वो एक 1,50,000 that is 150 किलोमीटर ओशंस में वो क्या एक 65 किलोमीटर वाइड आइलैंड को ढूंढ रहा था. While I was thinking, Sue, moving painfully, joined me. The left side of her head was now very swollen, and her blackened eye narrowed to that slits. She gave me a card she had made. On the front she had drawn caricatures of Mary and me with the words, "Here are some funny people. Did they make you laugh?" I laughed a lot as well. Inside was a message, "Oh, how I love you both." So this card is to say thank you and let's hope for the best. Somehow we had to make it. So here his daughter was like who's tried to give his father that when I was thinking of Sue. So here writer says that when he was thinking of his daughter Sue moving painfully. So because Sue body was injured, so she was moving painfully, and joint narrator at that time, and the left side of her head was now very swollen. और उसके head का जो left area है that is very swollen, in swollen condition, and her eyes were like blackened eyes and narrow slits, और उसकी blackened eyes पे कुछ narrow slits लग गए थे. She gave me a card she had made, and उसने अपने father को एक card दिया which she had made over there, and on the front she had drawn caricatures of Mary and me with the words, और उस card के front पर उसने Mary और उसके कुछ sketches, you can say that, वो draw करे थे, so that what जो है कि यहाँ पर उसने कुछ कार्टून, यू कैन से दैट कैरिकेचर्स मीन्स कार्टून कैरेक्टर काइंड ऑफ अपने फादर मदर की पिक्चर ड्रॉ करी विथ वर्ड्स, हियर आर सम फनी पीपल, और उस पर लिखा था ये हैं कुछ फनी पीपल. डिड दे मेक यू लाफ, क्या आपको इनको देख के हंसी आ रही है? आई लाफ्ड लॉट एज वेल, मुझे बहुत हंसी आती है। इनसाइड विद अ मैसेज, ओ आई होप आई लव यू बोथ, और अंदर एक मैसेज था कि क्या आप दोनों को पता है दैट मैं आपसे कितना प्यार करती हूँ। सो दिस कार्ड इज़ टू से थैंक यू एंड लेट्स होप फॉर द बेस्ट। एंड ये कार्ड किस लिए बनाया था उसकी डॉटर ने कि फादर थैंक यू, आप हमारे फादर हैं, दैट यू हैव सपोर्टेड अस अ लॉट एंड होप फॉर द बेस्ट, समहाउ वी हैड टू मेक इट, और डोंट वरी वी कैन मेक दैट वे। और हम कैसे ना कैसे इस that situation which is like going worse and worse day by day, हम इस situation से निकल ही जाएंगे। So thank you all students, we'll be reading this पेज नंबर 17 like I checked and rechecked से, यहाँ से हम अपना नेक्स्ट वीडियो वापस स्टार्ट करेंगे। टिल देन स्टे सेफ एंड स्टे प्रोटेक्टेड।